Hey everyone, Jim T with RCGroups.com. Today we're with Mike from Zap Glue and we're going to check out the new site. What's going on, Mike?
Hey, Jim. Everything's going well around here. Looking forward to showing you all the new website that we've got going here for Zap Glue. So we're looking at zapglue.com today.
All right.
So as our viewers know, uh, if you're going to get Zap Glue throughout the US or Canada, essentially it's going to be running through our facility, right? So what we have done is we've invested dollars into upgrading zapglue.com. And on this site, which you're going to find, and I did my screen share here, okay?
Okay.
And what you're going to see right off the bat is it's nice and bright, right? We want everybody to see what we're doing here. Try to make it super user friendly. So whatever you're looking for, right on that top toolbar right there, your CAs, kicker, epoxy, thread locker, their specialty glues, debonder, the tips. Now, tips are not like tips and tricks. These are
Right.
our flexi tips and Z ends, like we've done videos on. The corrosion inhibitor, which is great for all your electrical connections. We did a video about the trailers on that, and then some resources. So what we'll do is right off the bat, what we'll do is we'll scroll down. You can either click on these top toolbar, take you to all those, right? If you scroll down, you got other ways you can start to see the different products that we sell. And here, right here is something that we are developing. We've had it as just an application right here on our website, and we're going back and forth and actually making a true like cell phone app. But this is a great way if you're not sure what the right glue to use is. You hit your drop down. So let's click like balsa wood to balsa wood, right? Like you're building a plane, bam. It's going to kick out the glue that you really would like, and it gives you some bullet points, videos, and some copy here for how to use this in the hobby, uh, different crafters, some of the other industries that we work with, right? So then keep going down. Would love to hear. Here's some resources for different glues. Okay. Uh, as you all start using this, send us some. We'd love to hear your stories, how you're using the glue. Send us some pictures, so on and so forth. Okay. And that's what we're going to start posting down here. We'll start putting those stories of people building all those beautiful airplanes and whatnot. That's all going to go right here. Uh, we're going to we're updating our brochure. We're going to be putting some new brochures together. That's going to be here. And then down here, the last thing I'd really like you to see is this store finder. Now, right now, I've only got like one or two stores in here. Okay. Yeah, I got us, and then Rockler Woodworking is one of our big suppliers, and so I've got that in here. But for all the retailers, all those hobby shops out there, if you are selling Zap Glue, shoot me an email. Just mike@robart.com is a great place to put it. Send me a picture of your Zap display and then your address and phone number. And what I'll do is I'll start populating the store finder because we want everybody to be able to buy glue anywhere you're at in the US and Canada. Let's let everybody know where they can get to the stores and get get the glues.
I know just based on searching, there are so many places you can buy Zap. Am I right? It's like
Oh, there are.
from major RC stores to you name it, because Zap glues are used not just in the hobby, but in all kinds of industry and other hobbies.
Right, and that's like Rockler Woodworking. It's a hobby woodworking store, which is great for the hobbyist because you're going to find everything that you might need for uh, building in general. So different cutting tools and glues are there's Zap glues and whatnot. Uh, so real quick, let's just click right. I'm going to click right here on the CAs, and so you've got our thin, medium, thick, gel, the RT, the specialty plastic zap, poly zap, MR3000, our foam safe. Let's just go ahead with nice thin. You've got the different bottle sizes here. We've got my video is taking a moment to populate. We've got videos for a nice little introductory. Being able to purchase these are your MSRPs right here. And then you can go on and get a few other things also. On the resources tab, so for our industrial customers out here are all the MSDSs, your material safety data sheets. So you can get all of them. And then I'm going to start populating some more instructional videos in here. Once I get in to be able to modify this page. Our designers have got this locked down right now because we're cleaning up some of these MSDSs. But you're going to see some more instructional videos. All those videos that Jim, you and I have done, we're going to be putting all those in different places throughout this site. And so this is the new zapglue.com. We tried to make it super easy for you. Okay. There's not a ton of fluff in here. Go ahead, jump on here, get all the information you need. And if you've got questions, like I said, just shoot me an email, mike@robart.com, or give us a call, 630-584-7616. And I'll be able to answer any of the questions or help you out with any of these Zap Glue needs.
Awesome. So go check the site out. And I definitely love the ability to look up one thing and another thing and see which glue is perfect for gluing those two things together.
Yep. And we did everything we could to try to add, like, also, fabric, our pin hinges, our pocket hinges, even into some of the other industries with our jewelry making, stone, plywood, maple, foam. Like, here you got foam to spruce, okay? Foam safe and our epoxies, okay?
Got it. I do have one question. Let's say that all my glue, which I've had glue, for 20 years, let's say 3/4 of it are can't be used. Do you sell a package of different glues that I could utilize and buy all at one time?
Like a kit?
Yes.
We used to. And there's a couple of them on Robart's site. What we have found is that it's actually is that they don't really sell very well. The kits don't, because you'll all of a sudden you'll get a little bit of thin, but you're not going to use this, you're not going to use that, right?
You need what you need.
Yeah, we've found that buying it a la carte, each one piece by piece, is actually a better option for everybody.
Got it.
If you want to contact us, we can put together little kits to help you out and whatnot. But actually having the kits in here actually did not sell.
Well, everyone, go check out zapglue.com. Check out the new site. It sounds like you've put a lot of work into this, and you're putting work into it as you move along as well.
Yes. Yeah, we're doing everything we can to try to bolster this up, make it easier for all the hobbyists out there.
Awesome. Hey, everyone, we've been talking to Mike from Zap Glue, and there's a whole series of Zap Glue tips, and now they'll be on that site. You can access them there. So, Mike, thanks for everything you do for the hobby.
Thanks, Jim. Have yourself a good one.